In today's video, we will be creating this kind of realistic glow in Photoshop. Yes, it is possible to create this kind of realistic glow in Photoshop. And the best thing is it is fully customizable. I mean, you can change its color and you can also edit the text. By the way, if you want to download this project file, click on the link in the video's description. It is absolutely for free. Now hit the like button and let's jump to the Photoshop. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop and the first thing that we need to do is to create new document. As always, I'm going with the full HD resolution with the size of 1920 by 1080 and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. Also change the color bit to 16-bit per channel. By the way, if you're not able to see it here, just click on create. Now inside of Photoshop, go to image, mode and change it to 16-bit per channel so that we can play with the color more precisely and avoid the art effect. Next, we need a black background, but the background is white, so invert it by pressing Ctrl I. Also unlock this layer. Now pick your type tool and choose any color that you like. Click inside the canvas and type your text. Let's type in glow. Confirm it and align it to the center with the help of move tool. Now convert these two layers into a smart object. Let's call it text. Also change its blend mode to linear Dodge 8. Now we will be creating multiple copies of this particular layer and blur it step by step. So let's start by going to filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. For the first one, just keep the radius 1 pixel. Hit OK. Now duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J. Double click on this Gaussian blur effect and change its radius to 3 pixel. Duplicate it once again by pressing Ctrl J. Double click on the Gaussian blur effect and change the radius to 10 pixel. Let's duplicate it once more. Double click on this Gaussian blur effect and change its value to 25. Make another copy. This time the radius is 75 pixel. Duplicate it once more. Double click on the Gaussian blur effect and increase its radius to 250. Now make the last copy, and for the last one, let's keep it 500. Now as you can see, the main core is not bright enough. So to make it brighter, let's create a curves adjustment layer and adjust the curves just like this. It will do the work for you. And now it is done. If you want to change the text, just double click on one of these layers. It will open another document. And here you can edit your text and you can also change its color. Close this document and save it when you are done with editing. And Photoshop will update everything in the main document. By the way, if you want to learn how to create this design, you can watch this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you'll get notified whenever I post a new video just like this one. I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.